August 19th, trading recap. Today, bruh, the market, I've already been telling y'all that the market's been choppy, but it's just choppy and slow. Like, it's not like there's not setups, but it's just choppy as fuck. I eventually took shorts on NAS. Originally wanted longs because we were most definitely bullish towards the beginning of 9:30. I was looking for longs at first. That's why I'm pretty sure on this picture you'll see them little green lines. I didn't even have time to, I ain't even erase them bitches, I ain't gonna lie. And like, we got that entry a couple times for the longs, and then as soon as I was thinking about taking that shit, that bitch start dropping, tanking. So it started dropping, and then I waited until 10 o'clock. And that's when I took the shorts, because it gave a little entry before 10. But then literally at 10 o'clock when it opened, maybe it might have been at like 10:04 that it finally gave an entry. And I was like, fuck it. Like, I didn't wait it this long. I'll take the shorts. Even though US 30 was bullish, and which there was a setup on US 30, looked kind of like NAS before it tanked, that I could have took and it would have played out. It was just choppy as fuck over there too. Truly, for this trade, I literally only have the picture of the entry. And then I have the picture of us hitting TP2. I didn't take a picture of TP1 because literally I went to the bathroom. I went to the bathroom and I came back. Like, I might have been gone for like 7 minutes. Like, I wasn't even gone for long. Came back and nigga, we was already out the trade. So bam. So that's why this was the smoothest trade that I've gotten in like the past 2 weeks. It didn't go into no drawdown. This was the cleanest trade. Choppy as fuck. Was it pretty? Was it ugly? It was ugly price action, but it was the smoothest. And it's a Wednesday. Like, I don't know what the fuck going on. Because yesterday, and I had shit going on yesterday, so I couldn't even record. But yesterday, literally, I took a L on NAS. Like, that bitch, I took that fucking trade. That bitch came back to entry 5 times. 5 separate times. I took it once, L. If I'd have took it again, L. If I'd have took it again, break even. If I'd have took it again, break even. If I'd have took it again, break even. Like, I eventually started just paper trading that trade. And literally every time I got back in, break even. Or if I got back in, L. I'm just like choppy as fuck, because these are setups that I would take any day, and these bitches are just chopping. Or it's like timing, like you got to get in that bitch at the perfect time. Yeah, it's just, you know, we in there. Today was a W day, so that's why, you know what I'm saying, it makes you feel better when you do get a little win, letting you know that your system, nigga, that shit still work. And I feel like that's never really been my problem, because I know the system. My system, it works the way that I trade. It's just, yeah, it's just lately it's been timing, like, nigga, and it's just ass market conditions. But that's why, what I learned today, I say patience is what I learned today, because nigga, I didn't take a trade all 9:30. If I'd have took one, I probably would have took an L. Or at least if I'd have took the trade on 30, I wouldn't have took an L. I would have won. There's a possibility I could have got broke even. And it chopped way more than NAS. Like, it stayed at the motherfucking, it stayed at the entry. The entry that I would have had on US 30, it stayed there for like good 20 minutes. So, like, unlike my trade, the NAS shorts, it was max 15 minutes. So it consolidated that entry on 30 for 20. So it's just like, you know what I'm saying? I'll take it. But yeah, so that was the trade. Stay busy. Don't do nothing stupid. Let's stay in the game, you know, just risk management for these choppy ass market conditions. Don't do no dumb shit in this shit, bro, because this shit's not P. Not P. All right, yeah.